Welcome to the in front of me Honor 50 Lite, and I'll show you how to change home screen transition on this device. So just to do that, you should slide with your two fingers at the same time to the center, and here you'll see the transitions icon. Just tap here once, and here you can select one from this available animation. For example, I'll go with it rotate one, so click to the animation, and now just go back here. And now you can see that we just successfully changed our log home screen transition on our Honor 50 Lite. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.